A lot of people tell me they're nervous before their first hearing test, but honestly, it's much easier than most people expect. When you come to Hearvana Audiology, we start by looking inside your ears with an otoscope to check for earwax, irritation, or anything that could affect your hearing. Next, we'll do tympanometry, which gently checks how well your eardrum and middle ear are moving. It only takes a few seconds, doesn't hurt at all. If we find that earwax is blocking your ear canal, we'll discuss whether it should be safely removed here in the clinic using specialized equipment, such as a curette, maybe some water. After that, we'll head into our sound booth, where you'll be wearing headphones and respond to different tones and speech. This tells us exactly how your hearing is functioning, and it helps us determine if there's hearing loss and, more importantly, why there's a hearing loss. At the end, I'll go over all of your results with you in plain language, answer all your questions, and if treatment is needed, we'll create a personalized plan together. There's no pressure, just honest recommendations based on what's best for you.